Hey guys, it's Erica. Right now I'm at Boulevard Nursery. I've never been here before. Someone commented under my Pasadena Armstrong video that they go to that Armstrong, something about them going to Boulevard whenever they're in the area. So we're gonna check it out. Right now it looks pretty cool. So yeah, we're gonna check it out. So this is literally like right behind my car. There's a bunch of Staghorn Ferns. Sorry, it's blurry. Staghorn Ferns are $11.99. There's some ivies for $10.99. And there's kind of a lot of ivies. Ooh, some pothos. We love a good classic pothos. These are $12.99. And the spider plants are $10.99. There's also lots of lipstick plants. How much are these? These ones are $10.99. There's also black pagodas. I don't know why I'm struggling to focus. There we go. Wow, like lightning. It's like lightning in a bottle. And then these ones, Ascanenthus. Oh, this does not look like a curly lipstick plant. I'm gonna go ahead and say this is not a curly lipstick plant. This is just a regular one. It says it's curly, but I don't think so. This is $11.99. And there's also goldfish plants of various sizes. This one is $10.99. And a bigger one is right there. And yeah, you can see all of the snake plants. This one is flowering. Wow, look at this. I think the flowers are still closed, so that would be cool to see them open. But yeah, just the snake plants. And look at those Jabungo Monsteras we're coming up on. Wow, these are so big. What the heck? These are $179.99. These are massive. Oh my goodness. Not only are they like old with lots of fenestrations, but they're so full. There's so much. Look at this. This is a huge pot. Oh my gosh. Oop. These look so great. Oh, maybe I should jump over to this side. No, we're gonna go around. Ooh, ZZs, big ZZs. These are $63.99. Wow, this place is so cool. There's more snake plants, a setosa for $19.99. Some obtusifolias. These are $10.99. Oh, I never knew these were called bicolor. I just would always call them like, no, but these aren't variegated. These are the variegated ones. Okay, so now I know. And just the regular green ones. There's mounted staghorns for $39.99. Very cute. Pretty cute. Baby little tiny rubber trees. These are $11.99. These are really good because they're super full. If you find them at Home Depot or other places like that, they're usually not this full. There's like one or two. These look really good though. They're so fluffy. Look at this. For $11.99 you could have this fluffy rubber tree. And then there's more Calatheas. This one is called an exotica. I've never known there are Calatheas called exoticas. That's cool. I like that they have the names on here because I'm learning some new stuff right now. Buy one, get one 50% off all Calatheas. If only I like Calatheas. Oh, right here there's some Marantas. These are $14.99. Pretty big. And oh, look at this little baby monster. This is $20. It's in such a small pot, but I feel like it's so big. And then usually when you see monsteras like this, they'll be in like a really big pot, like too big of a pot, and they're just a really small plant. So this is like the opposite of that. That's really cool. This one here for $23.99 with a little wood, and cellulums for $25.99. Lickety splits. Lickety splits. Yeah, they're just smaller monsteras. Like, I feel like this one is pretty much the same size as the other one, and it's in a much bigger pot for $41.99. Well, I guess because there's so many more planted in here. A Schefflera Alpine Jr for $22.99, and this Croton is at $11.99. Some snake plants, rubber trees. There's a ruby one. This one is $22.99. It's pretty big. Oh, so pretty. This one's a Tineke, same price, and a Fiddle Leaf Fig for the same price, and also ruby rubber trees. On the other side is where they have their big Fiddle Leaf Figs and stuff. I love big Fiddle Leaf Figs. And the triangularis Ficus. This one is like a little burnt, but it's such a pretty shape. Let me back up to show you. Isn't that such a pretty shape? I wonder how much it costs, because it has a lot of crispy leaves. I guess right here, $326.99. This is like the prettiest shape ever. And there's also Alocasias. These are $22.99. Some Regal shields. I absolutely love their gigantic little elephant ear leaves. Well, not gigantic little, but gigantic elephant ear leaves. And over here are some of their 4-inch plants. So these are curly lipstick plants, and they're $5.99. You can definitely see these are curly and the other ones were not curly in comparison. But wow, there are a lot of rafts here. How much are they? $9.99. I think that's a good price. And there's also golden pothos, and wow, heartleaf philodendrons. Definitely a ton of rafts. I think this is a Pilea, the one that looks like a cockroach, kind of. Tostitos. Oh, there's some smaller versions of the curly or the black pagoda in case you want a smaller one. There are some baby peace lilies, syngoniums, Dieffenbachia, more syngoniums. I feel like it gets a lot of sun here. And even more Calatheas. I wonder if these are buy one get one 50% off. These are the Burle marks ones. And I think the rest are like big plants. This is so pretty. I really love this like setup. They have one of these trees. I can't remember what it's called right now, but I love them. They're so pretty. I love these leaves. I'll be able to write it down. Or let me see if I can find the price on it. So it's called an alii, and it's $101.99 for this size. And then this smaller one is $65.99. It's such a cutie pie. Oh my gosh. If I had a spot for it, I think I would get the bigger one actually. But this one really is so small and adorable. I just don't like the shape of it as much as the shape of this one. Big picture things.